Well, good afternoon, people. My name is Sam and Clark, and here I'm going to be talking about what's going on with this new program that I've been in for a few weeks. It's been absolutely nuts, man. It's called This Is Not MLM, and it is not MLM. Anyway, I want to show you, give you some information about it in case you're looking around and give you some details. And for people that join through me, I work with you specifically and help you out. And I've got some tips and tricks that I've learned and things you can do and that you'll only hear from me when you get involved directly through me. And keep in touch with me. You'll have a way to do that, and I'll help you out. I really know that this will work for you. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on here. So first off, what the heck is this thing? Okay, this is not MLM. Okay, this program came out in the beginning of middle or second week of January, I think, right around in there. I joined up in the middle of February. February 19th was my start date, and I've got some stunning statistics to show you. Anyway, this was created by Vic Hutchinson. He's been around for a long time. Smart dude. He quit his job back in 2006 and made it in the online world. He's been kind of behind the scenes, but he's done phenomenally. So I want to take you through some of the information about what this is. This is where you'll come to when you first want to take a look at the program. You're going to have a video right there in the center that you're going to watch that covers everything about what this is. It's the only 100% commission program I've seen out there. It's amazing. You get paid directly to PayPal. So how it kind of works is this: you're going to get access to an amazing membership. I'm going to give you a quick peek at that. We're talking amazing marketing content, motivational content, some softwares in here, automation, some scripts, and some just one of the things is about Vic, his training is phenomenal, and he doesn't, let's just put it bluntly, he doesn't bullshit around with people. He's out here to run a business, and you should be too. It's a serious business, and this has a serious income potential. So you can see all the training we get access to, and it's great information. It goes along. This is a cool one about personalization and how to do that, how to market that way. So there's some really great marketing training and the combination, and you can just see all of it here. So this is actually what you're getting when you join this and start promoting it and have the opportunity to promote it as well. You can see just in 2018, look at the training we have up here so far. Great stuff. And it's really going to help you understand, because he knows what he's talking about, and that's what I love. The guy really knows how to get traffic. I'm going to prove that to you. I've been using mainly just one traffic method, and it has knocked the socks off this business. I'm going to prove that to you. I'm just going to give you a quick peek that you can see all these, like you just referred somebody. And I haven't really been promoting this today, but you can look over the last few days, look at all the ones that say this. You just referred somebody, blah, blah, blah. Look at this day. March 12th was phenomenal, just on and on. March 11th, March 10th. So one of the things Vic talks about when we're talking about this is you got to have two things to succeed online. You've got to have one, a converting offer. That's a no-brainer. This thing I've added over almost 100 people now. You got to have a converting offer, and you've got to have a traffic system. The traffic system, just to give you an idea what's going on with the traffic, this is my homepage profile. These I just put up, so there ain't going to be a ton of traffic on those yet. Those just went up early, less than an hour ago. You can start to see the engagement we're getting. Okay, this is something I did that I'm helping people and doing some live videos and getting some phenomenal traffic, 129 views. I only did that a few hours ago. And you can see all the people that engaged with it. And that ties into getting people to your profile and getting them to your business offers. This was about a house that we just secured down here in Mexico, which is where I'm at right now, down here for a 9-week vacation. And we just secured a house, talking about the live broadcast, more about the house, sunsets. But you can see the amount of engagement I'm getting. Look at this, it's about 66 people right there. And on my business post, check this out. All these people want information. They're coming and finding me, and they want information about the business. 38 people right there using this traffic method. Put up a motivational thing, that got a lot. Another 30 right there. And it just goes on and on and on. Another motivational one. Here's another business one. Boom. Another 28. That was just a couple days ago. So the traffic to my profile has been building and building and building because of the way we do this. There's another 41 people had to follow up with. And the result has been people coming into the business. And we would be, when you join this, you're going to get a traffic system. Let's see if we can get in the back here. Let's just go to my last referral and we'll just log in that way because it makes it really easy to see what's going on in your business. Okay, so we're going to log in right here. Okay, let's log into the back end. Log in. Okay, this is your back end office area. And you're going to get a script right here that's going to allow you to build your friends. Now, most people got the traffic thing wrong. I look at hundreds of profiles a day, people doing all sorts of MLM and other businesses online. They ain't got no traffic. There's nothing coming to their business. They're out just spamming their links out there. They have nobody coming and looking at their stuff on a daily basis. That problem is solved. We're able to go out and target marketers, active marketers, people who are online right now who most aren't making any money. We know that to be true. And we're targeting them, adding them as friends, and building that very quickly. With the software, we're allowed the script up here, right there. You're going to get that as part of the membership. When you get that, you're going to go out and target these friends, build them as friends, and get them into your profiles, coming to your stuff. It works like gangbusters. I've added 2,300 friends, 2,400 friends in the last 2.5 weeks. And you'd say, well, wait a minute, that's against Facebook's terms of service. We have a way around that. So that's a genius and brilliant plan here that allows you to start getting traffic. There's additional traffic methods that work very well. I'm just starting to explore the second one because I've been so busy with the first one. And I've had so many people to talk to every day. Speaking of people to talk to, just an idea of the contacts I'm getting on messengers. These are just today's and the community yesterday's. Actually, these are all today. People wanting information, people contacting me. Some are just joining. Some are asking information about the program and all of that. This guy I totally forgot about. He was actually from Tuesday. So yesterday I totally missed his message when it came in because I was kind of busy yesterday doing other things, having fun on the beach. And he would just, hey, give me the information. So, that's what we want. That's what you want with a business online. You want people contacting you and coming to you. And we have that. So we have a converting offer. And we've got the traffic as well. You can see how well I'm doing. Like I said, I joined February 19th. The first week, you don't actually start promoting the program yet because you have no traffic. So you go out and you build your traffic the first week. And when you do that, you set yourself in a position, and then you come back in. And the program is a one time a month. You pay an admin fee to Vic, and that is for all the administrative stuff he does on his end. And then when you're ready to start promoting, you will go right here. You'll pay your member fee. That gets you access to the membership. Remember, we're selling a marketing membership that is brilliant with all sorts of information in here. And because Vic is so brilliant, how he designed it is until you pay for your marketing membership, you can't promote this. So once you pay that membership fee and you've built up some of your traffic to your profile, you're going to go and pay your member fee. You're going to be able to get your URL and your affiliate thing and start promoting this. So, and he's got a whole system and videos on how to get that all set up. It's really simple. Matter of fact, this program is just stupidly simple, people, and it's a great way to make money. It's just phenomenal. So I wanted you to have a good look at all of this. Remember, if you come through my link, I'm going to have some special insights. You'll be able to contact me on Messenger and get help on what I'm doing to get up to these kind of numbers. And I'm just starting out. Yes, not all these people are going to pay, but we're getting a good chunk of them. So as you go along, the possibilities here, if you think about it, when you're involved in a program, if I had 2 more opt-ins and they all paid, they haven't paid, okay? They're not all paid yet. If I have 100 paying people in this program, you can see here 98. This would be my monthly income, $9,800 if all these people were paying a month. That's only 100 people, folks. How many programs can you get involved in? Go out there that has a converting offer that's going to show you how to get the traffic. Build it up. What if it took you 4 months to get 100 paying people? You think that's going to be worth it at $10K a month? That'd be an awesome income. My goals, I'm shooting for much higher than that. I'm shooting for 1,000. When I hit 1,000, that's going to be $1.2 million a year. It's doable. We've got the system. We've got the conversion. We've got the traffic. That's all you need. We've got a converting offer. So get involved. Go down below this video or above it. Click on the link. You're going to want to go to 7or10.com, the number 7or10.com, and get in today, because that's where mine is. That's where you'll be redirected to the homepage, the sign up page. Okay, that's it. That's what you're getting, and this program is on fire. Since this started 2 months ago, we are now up to 15,000 members. That tells you that it's working. It's working brilliantly. So get involved today. Click on my link. Get in. Contact me after you do on Facebook. Make sure you get a hold of me so you can contact me if you need any help with anything. Don't go run into Vic. He's too busy to be asking all the questions when you get started, and I'm sure you're going to have some. Come to me. I'll help you out. I'll make sure you get everything up and running, and I'm also going to give you out tips and tricks on things you can do to speed up the referral process and some better ways of contacting people and how to do that. But all you need to do is follow what Vic shows. You know, I've learned to shut my mouth with this program, not bring all my marketing past into this. Just go get the script, build your friends, and send the traffic to it. That's it. It doesn't take a rocket science to build this. And if you want this, get in. All right, have a great day.